Thank you. Madam Clerk of Parliament, I rise on behalf of the people of Karonga Town constituency to second the motion moved by my honorable colleague to actually submit the name of Honorable Peter Dimba of Karonga Pirianjuzi constituency to be the Speaker of this House. A lot has been said. The qualities that my honorable colleague has indicated, I don't think there's anyone who can beat them. Madam Clerk of Parliament, leadership is about integrity. It's about experience. It's about sober behavior. It's about service. All these are in Honorable Peter Dimba. Honorable members, don't make any mistake, because we have 5 years to go, and we need someone who can moderate the debate in this House sincerely, with sober mind. And Madam Clerk of Parliament, I don't want to dilute what my honorable colleague has said. I therefore sincerely second the motion that Honorable Peter Dimba should be the Speaker of this August House. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Karonga Town. Honorable members, the nomination for Honorable Peter Dimba has been duly seconded. May I now call upon the candidate, Honorable Peter Dimba, for the House to see him. Thank you very much. Honorable members, let me now call upon Honorable Member for Zomba Malosa to move for the nomination of Honorable Sandra Scott, MP.
Thank you so much, Madam COP, for letting people of Zomba Malosa to give their nomination of Mavuto Sandra Scott for Choro Tegerani. Zomba Malosa would like to nominate Mavuto Sandra Scott because it feels like, let him also try his luck. I've known him from last cohort. I think he has qualities of being a speaker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Zomba Malosa. May I now call upon Honorable Member for Chikwawa Central to second. I have received a note that it's Zomba Tondwe to second. Honorable Member for Mangochi Southwest.
Good afternoon, Madam Clerk of Parliament and all members. I'm here to make a secondment, but before I do so, you allow me to say a few words. First of all, to thank His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika for taking us from opposition into government. It hasn't been easy, it was tough, and with his leadership, here we are seated here. We thank God for this victory. Second point is, before I make the nomination, is to put my weight on Honorable Sameh Suleiman. He's that deserves to be the Speaker of Parliament. And I invite all of you to vote for him. Having said that, can I finish? Having said that, may I make my nomination?
Members,
may I make my secondment?
I will allow you to move your points of order after the secondment.
Madam Craig,
Honorable
I want to second.
Honorable Member for Mangochi Southwest, you are seconding the nomination of Honorable Grant
Mavuto Sandra.
Mavuto.
Yes. Madam Craig, I would want to second to the office of Speaker, Honorable Mavuto Sandra of Cholo Tekera. I submit. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honorable members, I don't know if the points of order are still. Right? Thank you. Honorable members, the nomination of Sandram Scott has been duly seconded. May I call upon the candidate, Honorable Sandram Scott, to rise. Thank you very much, honorable members. May I now, honorable members, I now call upon honorable member for Blantyre North to move for the nomination of Honorable Ruskin Vinyo Vigaro.
Thank you, Madam Clerk of Parliament. I rise to nominate Honorable Ruskin Vinyo Vigaro, Member of Parliament for Michiru Chirimba constituency. A man of sober mind, and he holds a Master's of Arts in Theology, which he obtained at the University of Blantyre Synod. I have no doubt in my mind, that Honorable Vigaro, I thank you.
Thank you very much, honorable member for Blantyre North. I now call upon honorable member for Zomba Tondwe to second the nomination.
Thank you so much, Madam Clerk of Parliament, for recognizing the people of Zomba Tondwe. I rise here to simply second the nomination of Honorable Vigalo, the Honorable MP for Blantyre City Chirimba constituency, simply because he is a fantastic leader. I submit, Honorable.
Thank you. Honorable members, the nomination for Honorable Ruskin Vinyo Vigaro has been duly seconded. I now call upon the candidate, Honorable Ruskin Vinyo Vigaro MP, to rise so that the House can see him. Thank you. Honorable members, as we can establish, we have more than one candidate for the position of Speaker. We will therefore go into the voting process. Let me now outline the arrangement that has been made for voting, counting, and announcement of results. Honorable members will be called one by one in alphabetical order to come forward to collect a ballot paper from a member of staff who will stand in front of the clerk's table. Each honorable member will proceed to the voting booth where he or she will write a name of the candidate of his or her choice on the ballot paper and place it in the ballot box placed at the dispatch box at the middle of the chamber. Once voting is closed, counting will be done by staff at the dispatch box. Each candidate is free to designate up to 2 monitors to observe the vote counting. The clerk will receive the results from the counting personnel and will declare the winner to the House. After announcing the winner, the proposer and seconder of the nomination will conduct the elected Speaker to the table to subscribe to the oath of office before His Lordship, the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice. Honorable members, we will now go into voting. Firstly, let me now ask one of the members of staff to show the House the empty ballot which is at the dispatch box. This is for transparency purposes. Thank you very much, honorable members. Next, let me explain on the voting booths. As you can see, we have 2 on both sides of the front. So, honorable members on my left-hand side, once called, will proceed, will use the box, not the box, the booth on my left, and those to my right, once called, will use the booth to the right. This being a secret ballot, let me ask members of the press to move away from the voting area, especially to my left. We will now go into the voting process. We need to start.
Honorable Karim Elias Abdu. Honorable Adadawiza Mkandawire. Honorable Yona Adadawiza Mkandawire. Honorable Aisha Anne Adams.
Point of order.
Yeah, Clerk of Parliament, with due respect, wanted to know if the use of cameras by members of phones, the phones that are being used, the spirit of secret ballot will allow that we don't use phones to take pictures. Thank you.
Honorable members, if I heard the point of order, it was about honorable members taking their phones with them to the booth. I should believe, since it's a secret ballot, that is irregular. Standing Order 202. You can only use mobile phones and such devices with the leave.
Honorable Tyros Abdul Bagiri. Honorable Chidumu Madaliso Waloi. Honorable John Jackson Bamosi. Honorable Edward Chireka Banda. Honorable John Francis Bande.
Yes, point of order.
COP, I'm wondering whether this is an outright voting pattern to demonstrate who is voting for what. But if it is not, then why can't we use both sides, even if the line is here, to make sure that we fasten this, the process? I beg to move.
That is well noted. That is well noted. Colleagues, we can use both.
Honorable Gerard Bede. Honorable Francis Bereganyama. Honorable Samuel Malume Bogosi. Honorable Abigail Sharif Bongwe. Honorable Jairus Bonongwe. Honorable Mphatso Boti Piri. Honorable Pirilani Bulea. Honorable Moses Chagana. Honorable Chamblanyina Jere. Honorable Moses Mike Chagana. Honorable Emmanuel Jere Chamblanyina. Honorable Monica Janganamuno. Honorable Monica Janganamuno. Honorable George Chaponda. Honorable Feston Jauma. Honorable Lawrence Chazia. Honorable Anne Jibana. Honorable Ozeas Chidovu. Honorable Everson Chigona. Honorable Joe Salvatore Chigona, Honorable Morris Chikafa, Honorable Febi Chikaonda, Honorable Dorothy Chikonje, Honorable Klaus Chikufenji, Honorable Daud Chikwanje, Honorable Charles Chilambula, Honorable Oliver Jumangeni, Honorable Skefa Chimoto,
point of order.
Madam COP, I wanted to request that those chaperoning the booths should be closed, because we notice that some people are getting phones out of their pockets to still take pictures. Maybe we could have some people independent to monitor that.
Honorable member, that is noted, and Honorable members, I have already ruled on the matter. I expect that honorable members will not carry their phones and use them. You can carry your phones, but do not use them in the booth. The ruling has already been made. Thank you.
Honorable Skefa Chimoto, Honorable Noah Jimpeni, Honorable Frank Chimwaza, Honorable Richard Chimwendo, Honorable Maxwell Chimzeze, Honorable Marco Ezra Chingonga, Honorable Mike Chipala, Honorable Chimwemwe Mazabuka Chipungu, Honorable Oswald Chiwa, Honorable Chikondi Chisale, Honorable Paulos Norman Chisale, Honorable Simplex Chichola, Honorable Daniel Chitonya, Honorable Paulos Chiumia, Honorable Roderick Chiwaya, Honorable Khadija Chunga, Honorable Peter Dimba, Honorable Susan Dosi, Honorable Tony Fletcher, Honorable Francis Fole, Honorable Francis Fole, Honorable Peter Gamula, Honorable Mandela Gomeza, Honorable Deus Texas Ndaziona Gumba, Honorable Sostin Alfred Gwengwe, Honorable Catherine Gomeziani Hara, Honorable Tiaone Henry, Honorable Overton Saidi Imedi, Honorable Mason Jambo, Honorable Sylvester Ayuba James, Honorable Grezeda Jeffrey. Honorable William Jacob. Honorable Esther Jorobala. Honorable Jeremiah Jumbe. Honorable Katika Justice. Honorable Kumbo Hastings Kajari. Honorable Juliana Kaduya. Honorable Arnold Kazanja. Honorable George Jefferson Kazipatike. Honorable Savio Kafafa. Honorable Wilford Jonas Kagona. Honorable Winston Kaimapanjira. Honorable Amina